again, like just like my father, um, how I moved with him and lived with him, and he was there in every breath of mine. Bala was also there. Because when I remembered Bala, probably I was 3 years old. Even then, my sister had started her classes with Bala. So
Okay.
sometimes when I raised some voice, she used to say, யாரது அங்க குரல் கேட்கறது இந்த தொட்டில் காலை உதச்சின்னு படுத்திருந்தாளே அவளா என்ன அவ்வளவு குழந்தையில இருந்து பாத்திருக்கா பாலா.
Right.
51ன்னா எனக்கு 1 வயசு. அக்கா வந்து அப்ப கத்துக்க ஆரம்பிச்சுட்டா. எல்லாம் அந்த மியூசிக் அகாடமி கேம்பஸ் தான் அங்க.
Right.
ஸ்கூல் ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆனது வந்து 53, 1953. When I joined her, it was 55. But ஆரம்ப டேஸ்ல என்னோடது quite playful, because just as
Right.
in the family, I took everything in a very easy manner. I was not very serious, and I didn't know that I was. Uh, Even then, many people did not know that at that time Bala was going to be a very big legend soon. But my sister was very focused and very serious about her learning, and she was very deeply attached to both Bala and the style.
Right.
So it took some time for me until the early teens to realize that I was, directly under the tutelage of a great dancer of the era. It took some time. Then I would say it was more of a bhaya bhakti, because just like father, she was also a very strict disciplinarian, but never used to scold or shout or nothing. Just one look, you will shiver there. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பர்சனாலிட்டி, கமாண்டிங் ரெஸ்பெக்ட்.
Right.
பெரிய பர்சனாலிட்டியா இருக்கலாம், ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கமாண்ட் பண்றதுங்கிறது எல்லாருக்கும்
Different
வராது.
thing. Correct.
அந்த மாதிரி அங்க வந்து கிளாஸ்ல if she stands there, students will get jittery. So the values of learning an art, art for art's sake, அது பாலாவுடைய motto. Bala was a very strong influence in, I would say that her name was a family name. Every day there used to be, discussion or mention of Bala's name in the family, because Monday to Saturday we went to the dance class. Unlike these days, we didn't do Gurukula Vasam, but it was long hours.
Nearly Gurukula Vasa. Correct.
From the evening to late evening, we used to be there. So it was like almost like being a family. And since we were early students, we had access to all the interacting with all the family members. Visiting weekends, Bala's old house in Egmore, because my sister was having intensive training. I used to go. My father says, you used to go and sit with her. So although I was in the basic steps learning process, she was already into higher lessons. She is about 4 years and plus older than me. Her Arangetram was in 56. She started in 51. 56 was her Arangetram. So I used to go in that house. Jayamal was there. We had opportunity to listen to Jayamal singing for Bala. And attending Bala's concerts was a must. And always flowers we only carried for Balama on the day of performance at the Music Academy. Because those days performances were very limited. Sabhas were also very limited. Small in number.
Yes.
And Bala had yearly about 2 or 3 concerts, major concerts. I'm talking of Chennai.
Right.
So from morning till night, there was always this Bala talk in our thought and process. And so you can imagine it was almost Correct. Like being in a family. Bala's teaching just like father also, she also wouldn't talk too much in the class. By standing up and then dancing, she will show all the hands. There is no hesitation about that. She will sing and then walk up back and forth to show us the hands. But as like any other normal being, she was also very colorful in her emotional uh, control. Sometimes she would be very happy, sometimes she would be very stiff,
Hmm.
sometimes angry. But she would never show it to us. Just in one look or one word, she would cancel out everything. She would be just sitting in the chair and then she would say, like that. That's all. That day there won't be class at all. Why she is not teaching, why she is not speaking freely, nothing can be asked of her. And also, she would decide what to teach to which student.
Hmm.
So it was but I would say, um, as I grew, initially I did not know the fear of a great teacher like her. But slowly, as I was in the early teens, I started feeling some uneasiness here because she was always very stiff, and then I used to be feeling somewhat uncomfortable. Whereas with my sister, she was more at ease. Then I understood later it's because of the understanding of the art and the amount of practice that we put. So that understanding was not there for me quite some years.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
later on, it took on, and then I
Right.
started, and then there was a glorious period. I would say some 15 to 18 years of my closeness with Bala, which actually was still the last. Those were really golden moments because sometimes she would be interacting on a from the level of a teacher, very kind and telling me what all to do and how the dance outside is. Like a friend, she used to share certain things. So it was that during the last period when she was sick, and then when she was very disturbed in her mind due to various things happening in her family and outside, she used to share a lot of things. And then I saw a different Bala. It was very towards the. But she had a lot of trust both in my sister and myself,
Hmm.
which she expressed at one point of time when I was visiting her. She was bedridden. As a particular person had come, and without because she had sugar, she couldn't talk much. It was
Right.
getting dried up, but then in few words she gathered to say that both she and her sister would keep this art very well. I thought that was a. After about that, for 5 6 days, she went to the hospital, and then, of course, then became very ill. So I thought, coming from her that kind of statement, it's not easy. She will not say that.
Right.
In that way, they are never generous because they expected something the best in the student. Only
Correct.
then they will. Nobody should mistake that Janamal family or the entire Bala clan, they would never appreciate. No, it's not like that. They would say one word really when they are pleased. Okay, my art is getting transferred in the best manner. She's retaining the best of my art. So that's what I felt. Another occasion when I danced at the music academy, the year that she was receiving the Sangeeta Kalanidhi,
Hmm.
uh, Prince Maharaja of Travancore had come with his mother, and the hall was full. My father was giving a lecture on Maharaja Swati Tirunal's compositions. I was dancing. The president of the year has to do a demonstration. So
Hmm.
Bala had demonstrated through me. She taught me the items. My father gave the lecture and I danced a whole margam based on
Hmm.
Swati Tirunals. won't believe the academy was full, both downstairs and upstairs. And name any Vidwan, name any percussionist. Everybody was there to witness the show. Maharaja had come with the entire members of the royal family. Of course, I was very nervous. I finished performing because it was a very difficult Sanskrit Varnam that I performed. Not many people know it even. Bala specially composed it for that occasion. Earlier, I had danced it in the Navaratri Mandapam of
In
Thiruvananthapuram.
Travancore.
During
Right.
the Navaratri festival, Maharani Setu Parvati Bai was there very
Wow.
much. The same thing was repeated. That was in October or something. Then in on January 1st, 1 year later, I performed it on Bala's evening was Sadas. Bala was going to be conferred as Sangeeta Kalanidhi. So I was wondering, Bala, M.S. Subbulakshmi, Brindama, Muktama, everybody was there in the first row.
Wow.
So what are they going to say? After all, some student, a Bala student is dancing. That's all they will think, I thought. MS Amma came and hugged me and said, touched my hand, said, you did fantastic job. Many others followed. Bala was just standing at a distance and she also came up, was just standing and looking at me. And then at one point she came and then just patted me like this. That one pat, this part. When she does that, you can feel, I know, even now I can feel what it conveyed to me.
What
Good,
it means.
you did what I expected, something like that.
Right.
Just
Right.
one that pat. Otherwise, she has never praised or never talked about performances. Whenever I went for performance and they came back with stories, she would always say, அதெல்லாம் விட்டு நீ ஒழுங்கா பண்ணினியா உனக்கு என்ன தோணிது யார் என்ன சொன்னா அதை விடு நீ உன் மனசுக்கு எப்படி இருந்தது that kind of discipline only Bala could exercise. And
It's an amazing thing, na ma'am, because to remain rooted in yourself, this is the only way to do that.
yeah.
If you get carried away by what people say, it's a very dangerous area. I think it's beautifully.
The most important, crucial thing that she taught me by her action and her enactment of the solo dancing was that undiluted essence of purity and standard and utter adherence to what the Guru has said. Today, everybody says, mine is the best, mine is the best. Which is the best? So many changes people have incorporated. Can you say one Sampradayam or one dancer who has stayed with one teacher? Both me and Premada are the only ones who can boast that. Because for us, we need not go anywhere for Abhinaya. Nritta was there. Kandappa's own son Ganeshan was conducting both Bala and ourselves also.
Right,
and
right.
With Bala, we could learn an ocean of Abhinaya interpretations. And Bala herself stood as a role model not to deviate from whatever Kandappa had taught in the Nritta choreography. What is wrong about maintaining one's own
Absolutely
Guru Parampara like that? Now we are talking of Guru and Shishya.
Correct.
Kandappa's genius was best seen in the best student of like Bala.
Right.
The Guru Shishya lineage in them is something very outstanding. Nobody can find. So many teachers have deviated, so many teachers, great dancers have gone to so many people. In Bala's case, none. And her Abhinaya itself improved by her own creative genius.
Correct.
After some interactions with Gauri Amma and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Shastri, who were great stalwarts of those times. It was only
Absolutely.
a kind of imbibing the essence. But the actual creation was Bala's. That is the way Bala wanted. Like an osmosis, you take the essence of those, whatever Gauri Amma told and then whatever Lakshmi Narayana Shastri gave her the inputs. But it was finally Bala who could create that magic on stage. So there was no compulsion for her to deviate from even from a small aspect of performance or adherence to the Guru Marga, there is no need for her. That point she inculcated in my sister and myself. Till today, I have not changed any choreographies. In fact, I have seen in demonstrations teachers of today saying, "Oh, that student couldn't do this adabu, so I changed it like this." Why? You make that student do that adabu properly.
Right.
That is the
Right.
duty of the teacher.
Right. Right.
You can't bring out the best of that student to execute a particular basic step. Then the teacher is not doing her service fully.
Absolutely.
Isn't it?
Absolutely.
And also
Absolutely.
abridging all the adavu systems, giving only the essential adavu. These are all completely unacceptable for Bala. When she went to the US also, she taught all the American students in the same manner.
Right.
Even
Right.
now, the senior most student in the American group, if you ask, they will do all the adavas. They can show the adavas because they learnt it that way. Several residencies Bala went and later brought into India so many madly following students, American students for herself, who stayed loyal to her all their life. See, that was the essence of teaching of a great teacher. Not
True.
just compromise. Bala would never compromise. Only once I have seen, to explain to you her uncompromising attitude. Just once there was a small misfire in doing a tirmanam. We call it tirmanam. Others call it jati. Bala looked at the side and said, "Innappa." And then she went back. She went back, repeated it again, and finished it to the sama properly. See, that was, will any star of the day would have done it. Bala really wanted to prove herself. Her life was art and art was her life. So, complete dedication and being merging into one.
Right. Right.
So, these values, I don't think the present day dancers can even feel it. Even in a last previous interview, I was mentioning there was tossing and teasing Bala's style, putting it away for 20 years after Bala's demise. But I have always clung just like this. Udumbu pidichikirudum Bala, udumbu
Ama.
the Maria I have kept. For me to keep that scene and influence of Bala and keep the people, trying to make them remember Bala from time to time by writing, by dancing, by giving lectures, by performing.
Absolutely.
Whatever way possible. Otherwise, this Bala scene would have completely gone because she did not create many students. She didn't bother about number. No quality, no quantity, only quality she wanted.
Correct.
பேர் சொல்றதுக்கு ஒருத்தர் 2 பேர் இருந்தா போறாதா, நன்னா ஆடினா போறாதா? அப்படி சொல்லாத போனாலும் என்ன, அது பாட்டு இருக்கிறது இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி லைஃப் வந்து ரொம்ப ஒரு, she believed in what she did.
Yes.
And she wanted to keep up that tradition to the best of her ability. The rest will be taken care of. அப்படி விட்டுட்டா Bala. அதுதான் நடந்தது. அதனால my sister being in Canada for about 50 years, 52 years now, she has been, the day she landed, she has started a school and she's continuing it. Here I am doing my best out of my, situation and chances available. I've never lost heart for not being, put on a pedestal when so many other styles started mushrooming, and then some even say that no, there's nobody who remembers. Somebody said sometime back, very eminent person, who remembers Bala? She's only in memory. I said, to remain in somebody's memory, that itself is a great thing.
Absolutely.
Forgetting is very easy. But
correct.
Still people are remembering means, isn't that a point of success? If you think of Krishani Begni, even if Bala is not there, everybody is thinking of only her, not any other artist.
Correct.
And if you think of Sangeeta Kalanidhi, you were a dancer, who else? So Bala, again, like my father, very much of different dimensions, but in good proportions. Her musicianship, her knowledge of languages, her knowledge of basic shastric details, her performances,
All combined together. Yeah.
all that remained a perfect component and made it a beautiful garland. So இனிமேதான் யாராவது பிறக்கணும் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுக்கு.
Correct. Correct.
பூதோ ந பவிஷ்யதி, கிடையவே கிடையாது பாலா மாதிரி இன்னொருத்தர். அவ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரலன்னு சொல்லலாம், எல்லாம் அப்படி ஆயிட முடியாது. ஜீனியஸ்ங்கிறவா ஒருத்தர் தான் இருக்க முடியும்.
ஆமா,
டாக்டர் ராகவன், ஒரு பால சரஸ்வதி, அப்படி இருந்தா தான் நல்லா இருக்கும். நிறைய டாக்டர் ராகவன், நிறைய மகிமை ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையே.
Correct. Exactly. Exactly.
And also Bala had a general lively, she had great values as a woman of great strength. Individually, as a woman, she has suffered a lot. She has managed a big family. ஒரு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு ரோல் மாடல் மாதிரி தான் இருந்துட்டு போயிருக்கா பாலா. அந்த ஒரு டிசிப்ளினும் அந்த பக்தியும் கௌரவம்.
ஆமா, that's very important. Absolutely.
ட்ரெடிஷனல் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் பத்தி தெரிஞ்சவா தெரியாதவா எல்லாரும் பேசுறாளே, பாலா மாதிரி ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு பின்னக்கல்ல இருந்து அவளோட பீரியட்ல இருந்தவா எல்லாரை விட பாலா தான் டாப்ல இருந்தா. அந்த ட்ரெடிஷனல் கம்யூனிட்டியை சேர்ந்தவாள்ல யார் பாலா மாதிரி வந்தா? ஒரு ரெஃபரன்ஸ்க்கு வேணா ஒருத்தர் பேர் வருமே தவிர்த்து சஸ்டெயின்டா அந்த நாட்டிய சம்பிரதாயத்தோட ஜெயம்மாவோட இன்சைட் தான் அது. விஷனரி, ஜெயம்மா வாஸ் அ விஷனரி. இப்படி இருக்கிற நாட்டியத்தை அப்படி கொண்டு ஆடணும் பாலா, இந்த கோவிலோட வைக்க வேண்டாம்னு வச்சதுனால தானே பாலா இப்படி ஒரு பாலாவோட ஜீனியஸ். எங்க அப்பா பேசியிருக்காரு சத்யஜித் ராய் பிலிம்ல, பாலா அன்டவுட்லி a genius னு அவர் வாயால சொல்லியிருக்காரு. அந்த மாதிரி அவள் they shared a very great mutual regard, பாலா சரஸ்வதி and டாக்டர் ராகவன். அந்த ஆர்ட்டுக்கு எங்க அப்பாவுக்கு வந்து பைவேர்டு பாலா தான். எல்லாரும் அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவருக்கு எல்லாத்தையும் பாப்பாரு, எல்லாரையும் அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணுவாரு, ஆனா பாலா தான். அதே மாதிரி நான் வந்து பாலாக்கு மிஞ்ச குரு கிடையாது. அதுதான் என்னோட பெரிய ஒன் ஆஃப் தி கிரேட்டஸ்ட் இது. அண்ட் ரொம்ப பெரிய பாக்கியம் தான் பாலாட்ட. எல்லாருமே என்ன நான் எங்கேயா கமிட்டிஸ்ல உட்காந்து உனக்கு என்ன யூ ஹேவ் க்ரூ 2 great legacies அப்படின்பா. அப்பதான் இன்னும் நமக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கும். இப்படி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இதுவும் எகெயின் பூர்வ புண்ணியம் எல்லாமே நடக்காது.
Absolutely, absolutely, ma'am.
பப்ளிக் பிளேஸ்ல போனா கூட பாலாவோட பின்னோட சில சமயம் ஏதாவது ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கோ இல்ல அகாடமிக் கச்சேரிக்கோ கூட போகும். You can learn so much from her. ஒரு கேவிஎன் பாடுறதை எப்படி ரசிக்கணும்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஒரு எம்டிஆர் பாட்டுல எப்படி ரசிக்கணும்னு சொல்லுவா. ஏன்னா கிளாஸ்லயே வந்து when musicians came to meet her and all that, அப்படியே class will stop and they will start discussion on various things. மாத்தி they'll be doing singing sangatis. So again, like in my father's case, during music class, how he started conversations with Professor B. Krishnamurthy, Bala would start Ramnath Raghava, Krishnan வருவார், கேவிஎன் வருவார். ஆனா மூடு சரியா இருந்தா தான் எல்லாமே. இல்லன்னா கிளாஸ் நடக்குது, அங்க உட்காருங்க அப்புறம் பாக்குறேன். அதே மாதிரி டிசிப்ளின் உள்ள நுழையிறதே ஒரு பேரண்ட் உட்காந்தா, யாரு நீங்க, எந்த குழந்தையோட அம்மாவா, எந்த குழந்தை, முன்ன எந்திருங்க, அங்க போய் உட்காருங்க. பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் உள்ள வரக்கூடாது. See, she never wanted any outside influence on the child.
Right.
Well, in the formative yearsல every teacher should know these things.
Correct.
கௌரவமா சொல்லி வெளியே வாங்க, அங்க உட்காருங்க. And she assigned me the great responsibility during 72 to 82, 10 years she was going places like anything. Bala peak period. I was the one in charge of the music academy dance class.
Okay.
So அது ஒரு பெரிய எக்ஸ்போஷர் பாலா தான் கொடுத்தாரு. நீ கிளாஸ் ஒரு 18-20 குழந்தைல ஆடிட்டு இருந்தாங்க, போய் கிளாஸ் எடு அப்படின்னு. அந்த மாதிரி ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் கொடுப்பா. நல்லா ஃப்ரீயா பேசலாம், சரியா மூடெல்லாம் சரியா இருந்தா. மூடு சரியில்லைன்னா ஒண்ணும் வாயை திறக்க முடியாது நம்ம. சும்மா இரு அப்படிம்பா, அவ்வளவுதான் வாய மூடிடணும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எப்படி நம்ம அம்மா கிட்ட நம்ம இருப்போம்.
Absolutely, ஆமா.
ஒரு
வெரி சிமிலர்.
ஒரு பாண்டேஜ் கிரியேட் ஆயிடுது எங்களுக்கு குழந்தையில இருந்தே. அதனால அந்த ஒரு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்கும் பாலாக்கு கடைசியில் அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப she felt very inwardly very emotional about all that. She used to come home and teach for a particular period after my father's demise. She said, இந்த வீட்டில் வந்து I have to teach. அவர் இருந்த இடம், அவர் he expected me to teach all these things to you which I couldn't do during that time. Abdin, she used to be very moved and touched. She used to come, which was very rare.
Ama, correct.
Used to do those things.
Somebody like her, correct.
Whatever the guru is, my father's motto. Sometimes being a kind of, I told you I was very free-willed and I was very kind of jovial in the initial years. I used to say, the teacher was very sternly telling me this, I won't go to class tomorrow, something like that. Next evening he would say, 4:30, he would call my mother and say, did she go to the class? And later years when I had some kind of interactions, either little bit rough or something, I used to say, Pa, so very painful, Pa, sometimes I don't know how I'm going to face all this during this Padam session and all. He would say, take the best of Bala's teaching. Go. That's it. Because he himself was a teacher.
Right.
That utter surrender to Guru, I got it from my father, and then I could implement it with Bala. Because Bala was a grand Guru. There is no need for... Today we see all kinds of grades of Gurus.
Correct.
And when you think of a great teacher like Bala, what is there to complain? You should feel on top of the world.